Look.
Wow. Sit down. That's what the Easter Bunny brought you. Wow.
It's a dozer.
It's a dozer. Wow. It's a bunny rabbit.
It's a cow.
A cow. I see the cow. Wowee.
It's a pig.
It is a pig. I love it. Wow, Easter Bunny told me you need to play with those outside.
Outside.
Oh, yeah, Mommy shouldn't have said that. Not right now. Keep looking.
Oh, look. Wow.
Wow, those are paints. For you to paint.
Where's the wheels? Where's the wheels? Where's the bus?
He's calling it a bus.
Is there a bus?
I know.
Wow. Green, yellow, green.
Green, green, yellow, green. That's a good job.
Is it green?
And blue and red.
There's a wheels.
What else is in the basket? Look, what's that?
It's a cheese in the train. Look.
I see it. Wow. It's a DVD, baby. We'll watch it in the car. We'll watch.
Twin.
Say thank you, Easter Bunny.